Yes, it is. It's a badass truck right here. One day, I want to have one of these, a Raptor.
Stephanie does too. It's her favorite.
Yeah. One day, I want to gristle, right? This is goes. This is truck goes right here. This is truck goes. This is awesome. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. As you just seen, we just pulled in a Raptor. Now this is a 2020 Raptor that a customer brought to us, and he purchased an upgraded intercooler, or as Ford likes to call it, the charge air cooler. But also we got Cody in the house. What's going on, big dog? Yeah. Woo. Anyway, but guys, we are going to do this. We don't only just work on Mustangs here at HPR, we also work on F150s and a lot of other things that we work on. But anyway, we do specialize in the Coyote mod motor platform, but however, we do work on all kinds of things. In my 10 years of working at the dealership, I have had to work on anything and everything that comes in. Every Ford engine that's pretty much out there, I've put my hands on, and so I'm very familiar with everything, so I'm able to actually work on all that stuff. We also do things such as this car.
Yes.
So we are putting in comp stage 2 cams, boundary oil pump gears and crank sprocket, brand new Ford oil pump housing, and also we've already got the Stainless Works headers installed. They are the catted version, so we do stuff like this also. So it's not just superchargers and turbos, and also we actually have an F150 out front that we're doing a little repair work for a customer also. So we kind of do a lot of things out here at HPR. We do have some things out here. They're working on putting a park bench. I don't know what they're putting on this thing. Actually, they're
Non-hooked up.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Damn. Check this out. Go ahead, tell them.
What?
Well, we were just test fitting it, but I didn't hook the harness back up, so someone's got to climb to the back.
Oh no, you didn't.
Not it. Nose goes.
Yeah, nose goes.
Well, he doesn't have. He doesn't have a passenger seat. He doesn't have a rear seat. It can't. You're gonna let the biggest man here do it.
Doesn't have a.
You're the skinniest.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so if you caught the last video, guys, we actually had this car at the drag strip, and this is getting a nitrous install and some BMR goodies with drive shaft and axles put in it. But yeah, so actually about a week before it was due in here, a deer decided to run out in front of him and kind of play tag with him. So he's gonna get that fixed when he gets it back home. I love this car. Of course, this is my car. It needs to be washed. And then of course we got Xander's car here. And then we have this Mustang right here. Now this Mustang, we are replacing the AC line. He put some headers on. The headers got on the AC line and kind of rubbed a hole in it. So we're going to adjust that, see what we can do there, and get him an AC line installed and get it recharged. This right here, guys, this is an F150 for working on for a customer, and we are doing some repair work to it, and that's basically what's at the shop at this moment in time, guys. But like I said, guys, we do a lot here. It's not just superchargers and turbos. That is the fun stuff, but we also do some repair work, and we also do upgrades on other vehicles besides Mustangs. So having a little fun here, guys. So you about ready to get started?
Do this.
All right. All right, so we got the old stuff off, and as you see, this is the stock intercooler, charge air cooler, whatever you want to call it, and this is the aftermarket. So this is Addictive Desert Designs intercooler setup right here for the Raptor. Pretty big setup. It's going to actually, the stock one fits down in here. This one is going to set up in here. Quite a bit of stuff to actually install with the kit. It comes with hard pipes. They replace a lot of stuff. It comes with its own mounting bracket, of course. It comes with, of course, all the hardware that you need to actually install this kit is in the box, of course. But so far, pretty straightforward. Getting everything tore apart, as you can see in the video. But now it's time to start going back together with everything. right, guys, so we finally got the install done, and a little bit of a chore, but really not that bad. A little cutting on your grill. You've got to take out the grill shutters, cut the grill up just a little bit. It's a little intimidating sometimes when you got to start cutting stuff, but if you saw the video where I had to cut up my back bumper to put the Roush valence on, then you know, hey, just gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, especially when you're doing all the aftermarket stuff. But man, the kit is great, guys. You see the kit go on. Chris did a lot of the work. He kind of shooed me out of the way, and I went out there and put the spark plugs in that truck and stuff like that. But
as far as install, I will give ADD one definitely big thumbs up. The instructions, very thorough. Everything fit very well, and I have no complaints.
your hair looks wild, bro.
I know. It has been a day. It's hot. It is humid.
It has been a day, but yeah. So Xander, what do you think about it, man?
I think it looks great. I think it's got nothing but just these are awesome vehicles, even in stock trim, right?
Yep.
And all this is presence.
Yes.
This rolled up behind you with the aux lights on and everything. It's just mean.
So let's turn off on the lights. Let's give them the picture.
Yeah, go for it.
Cut on all the lights and see what we're talking about here. Man, I love these Raptors. If I couldn't have a Mustang, this is something I think I would just
100%.
I think I could get into, man.
I'm gonna trade my Mustang in for one of these.
I love these Raptors, guys. There's just something about them that they're just so wide and so mean. God.
How about the new Raptor R coming in?
Ooh.
5.2 supercharged?
Yeah, that thing's gonna be
No more eco
nasty.
for you, sir.
Hey, I ain't gonna say nothing for one reason. A lot of people say it's since the departure from it in 14 and then 15.
Ford's got to.
The sound is not there when you go boost. The low end torque, the pulling power is there, but the sound is not. And there's the owner.
There's the owner.
Well, that sounds nasty.
That is sick.
What's he got?
Probably got a hey,
That thing got a Hemi in it?
Ooh, that's nasty. That's a Jeep
I do
Raptor.
believe it does.
That thing got a Hemi in it. Oh yeah. That thing sounds good, man.
It's straight by. Everything sounds good.
So let me know what you think about this, bro. I'm gonna let you look at it.
Oh, dude, that looks sick.
Yes.
Jeez, so clean too.
Yep.
Wow, man.
Dude, it's I thought you were just giving us like a little upgraded down there.
Yeah.
Then we took it out of the box. I was like, oh man, that's sick. So how you liking the Raptor, man?
Bro, I love the Raptor, man. Honestly, one of the best trucks out there for sure.
I agree.
For sure. For the money, you can't beat it. You get performance. You know, yeah, the V6, you know, it sounds a little weak, but man, Ford knows, they know what they're doing. That's for sure. Super fast, handles well off-road. You can daily drive it. You just can't beat this truck.
I mean, you should just be a spokesperson for Raptor, man. You just nailed it.
I wish.
You actually started playing around with a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
What's the YouTube channel name?
So right now it's under Mr. Riding Forge. On my previous build, I had a 2015 Silverado with a 17-inch lift, 2614s on 42-inch Toyo tires. Now it sounds pretty great, but I need to check it out on my channel for sure.
All right, I'll put a link down in the description, guys.
Let's hear it.
All right.
Oh, that's sick.
Hold on, do that again. That makes me miss the turbos.
The bad thing is that's unloaded.
Yeah, I know.
So when it loads up, you
Oh
get that much
my!
more.
Oh! All right, guys, we're gonna take it down the road.
Alright.
I don't
Safety equipment on here.
safety equipment. Yeah.
Alright, so keep it normal mode for now.
Yeah. We'll take it out here.
Do it on sport. It's good 50 mile an hour.
The what?
A good 55 mile an hour.
They don't feel like they're picking up speed that fast, but when you watch the speedometer, you're like,
Oh God.
the feel is deceiving.
Yeah. Well, man, I mean, Ford's got it going on for sure.
Yeah.
Coming from a Chevrolet, man.
Yeah, he used to be a diehard Chevy guy.
Jesus, I got a Chevrolet tattooed on my arm, brother. I think she jumped off the ground, brother. Oh my god.
I was a little
Oh man.
she jumped. that was fun.
That was fun, man.
Yeah, that was a little boost off the line.
And keep in mind, guys, also on this this is the Cobb tune, right? This is on the 93 tune. I do have 93 in the truck. Anyway, so I plan on getting with Winfield. He's already got the goose tune going. I just gotta put some some E85 in there, send over some data logs, and then we should be good to go from there. Tons more horsepower, and I'm really excited about this.
Dude, you need to come back whenever you get that in there. I wanna feel it.
Oh, definitely. I'm definitely coming back, man. On all my performance mods, I mean, she's got it done in half a day. God,
We appreciate it, man.
killed it. Such a clean install too, man.
Oh yeah, I mean that when you work with quality products, it makes it a lot easier. It does. So when a customer brings quality products in, it really does make a difference.
Absolutely.
Versus some stuff that really shouldn't be put on a vehicle. But even then, if I take on the job, I'll make it look as the best as I can make it look.
That's right. Man, he's the man for sure. That and 80D, man, they knocked it out of the park with this kit.
Dude.
The kit is a little bit pricey, but you know what? If you want to get good stuff, you gotta pay the price, man. It just is what it is. I mean, you can nickel and dime here and there, but you're just not gonna get the full amount now.
No, and like on the, it's just the same thing with the headers for the S550s.
Yeah.
You get a good header, you're gonna pay for it, but the fitment and quality is, perfect. So.
It makes everything else so much smoother that you'll be glad to spend, hundreds more.
Yep.
100%.
Man, we got a loaded house up in here, man.
Heck yeah, man.
Okay, so we got the Raptor done and returned to the customer. We got the F150 repair work done on it, and it's ready to go back to the customer. He's picking it up in the morning. And then we've got this car. We're waiting on parts. They're supposed to be here Monday morning, so we'll get this knocked out this week for this customer, get it on the dyno, bring you all the footage from that. Stay tuned for that video. This car right here, we've got to put an AC line on, and then we got the nitrous car, guys. So this one's probably gonna be here for a week or so. We're gonna get the nitrous kit installed, we're gonna get it wired up, we're gonna get it ready, we're gonna get the suspension done in the rear, the BMR suspension, we're going to get the axles, drive shaft, and then also we're gonna we got oil pump gears to put in this also. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. All right.
Oi! Oi!
Oi. Let's try this one more time, guys. I want to get this today.
Oi!
Oi! What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Are you home with my toolbox?
I'm laughing.
So, guys, Andrew brought me some signs for the shop, and one of them is, never mind the messy top of the lid toolbox, I gotta clean this up. Check this out, guys. He bought me this and he brought it up here and then gave it to me, and then he's steadily going in my toolbox and getting tools out.
Did you not see what that sign says?
I bought this.
Hey, don't be touching stuff. This is my video. Get your own.
Hey, where you at? Where are you at, boy? Hey, hold on.
It was me. The next thing I would do to this thing after charger.
No. I'd do a 5.3 swap in a Raptor.
We ain't doing no crossbreeding.
They had something like that at Kirkland's.
That's a good one.
We'll be here all day, ladies and gentlemen. Cody, what do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
About which part?
His pro mod.
His pro mod? Man, tell you what, John Ford's got, he ain't got no idea what's coming.